Hey guys, Shruti here and you are watching my channel Shruti Arjunanan. Before starting this video, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. It's important as well as it is going to send a notification whenever you will open the YouTube that I uploaded a video. तो आज का वीडियो है कोई सुन ना ले, ये एक सीक्रेट टॉपिक है. I am going to share some fun hacks today which are going to save a lot of you from the mishaps. It's really difficult and costly to buy 4 different types of pads. So instead of buying different types of pad, you can make one for yourself, especially for the extra flow. So let's make our DIY big pad or night pad. So what we are going to do is we are going to stick the pad regularly like we do in our panty, and then we are going to take another small pad and we are going to attach it at the back side of the panty so that it can regulate extra heavy flow during night, जिससे हमारे जो शीट्स है उस पर कोई स्टेन्स भी नहीं आएगा और बिना किसी चिंता के आराम से हम नींद करेंगे. If you get really painful cramps on your stomach, then this next tip is going to save you a lot. You can use a hot water bottle which is available in the market and it is going to help you a lot. But if you don't have one, you can make one for yourself by sitting at home, and it's really easy as well. All you have to do is take an old pillowcase, then fill it with rice and then sew it to make sure the rice is not coming out. Now if you have a microwave, just pop this in the microwave for just 2 minutes and it's going to be perfect warm for your stomach. And if you don't have a microwave, don't worry because we have another DIY for that. What we are going to do is एक तवे को गरम करके आंच बंद कर लीजिए, and then when it's hot, keep that pillow on the tawa for just 1 minute and then your DIY pillow, hot pillow is ready. This tip is amazing. It will take all the cramps, pain and will make your tummy happy. People say don't drink a lot of water in those days, but it's actually a myth. What you need to do is drink lukewarm water. If you can, infuse it with green tea and drink or sip it throughout the day. Just take a sip of this water, not drink a lot of at the same time. It is going to bloat you, but if you are sipping the water throughout the day with a sipper, it is going to calm your stomach and will make sure you are not getting any cramps. If you're going out in those days, make sure to wear dark color clothing like a dark suit or a dark pant. If you can, wear a dark color skirt because skirt is not directly attached to that part, so that's why it hardly gets any stain. If you can, then make sure to keep a different set of panties, especially for those days. And these panties need to be full coverage. This is going to give you more support. Make sure to buy them in a light color. Now I heard a lot of people saying that buy them in a dark color, but it is a big problem. Now let me tell you why. Now sometimes it happens you get a small stain because the color of your panty is dark, you're not able to see it. And sometimes it also happens कि हमारा stain बढ़ता चला जाता है और हमें पता तक नहीं चलता है. So that's why it's really unhygienic as well as it brings a lot of mishaps. So that's why always wear light color panties so that you can see what's happening, if there is a stain or not, and you can get rid of it. And because we are wearing a darker color pant on top of our light color panty, अगर stain लग भी जाता है तो वो ज़्यादा दिखेगा नहीं. पैंटी में दाग लग भी जाता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम तुरंत उसको धो देते हैं. Make sure कोल्ड वाटर में उसको धोएं, because hot water में if you will wash your panty, it is going to make a stain on it which is not at all pretty. So because we are using a light color undergarment, if you get a stain, make sure to wash it in cold water then and there and your stain will be gone forever. And if you don't like getting any stains on your panty, what you can do is, which is a very neat trick, use a swimsuit panty. जो बिकिनी आती है बाजार में, आप उसकी पैंटी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो पीरियड्स के लिए में, बिकॉज वो वाटरप्रूफ होती है तो उनमें दाग नहीं लगते हैं, और अगर लग भी जाता है तो वो बहुत जल्दी धुल जाते हैं और आसानी से सूख भी जाते हैं. If you are younger and you get very heavy periods and it's really difficult for you to manage it because experience के साथ इंसान बहुत कुछ सीखता है, tips and tricks सीख जाता है. So if you are younger और समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्या करें, तो एक और level of protection आप कर सकते हो by wearing a long top, especially from back. So अगर आपके pants में कोई दाग लग भी गया है, तो at least if you have a long top, it is going to still protect you. Another tip, which is my absolutely favorite, to wear a extra pair of underpants. Especially if you wear salwar suits or sari, this extra layer of underpant is going to keep that pad in place and it will also give you an extra layer of protection. काफी सारी रिसर्च से ये पता चला है कि caffeinated drinks, you should not take them during periods. Tea and coffee are big no-no. They actually accelerate your cramps और वो हमारे cramps को बढ़ाती हैं. दर्द ज़्यादा होता है इनकी वजह से. So that's why don't drink tea and coffee. Instead of that, you can drink green tea. If you're using a iOS or Android based smartphone, download a app called Clue app. और अगर आप इंडियन हो तो आपके लिए जो इंडियन पीरियड ट्रैकर ऐप है उसका नाम है माया दी पीरियड ट्रैकर ऐप. ये ऐप को आप डाउनलोड कीजिए and then you can just enter the first day of your period and it is going to give you guys the prediction when your next period is going to come and next to next is going to come. So if you are traveling, it is going to come pretty handy. At the same time, it is going to calculate your fertile days. So if you want to get pregnant, it is going to help you, as well as if you want to avoid pregnancy, it's going to help you in that way as well. The app we downloaded is going to tell you when your period is coming, but still अगर कभी जल्दी आ जाते हैं या थोड़ी ज़्यादा लेट आते हैं और आपके पास पैड नहीं है, तो हम आपको बताएंगे कि कैसे आप बना सकते हो एक DIY पैड. So the trick here is fold some tissue papers and keep it on your panty, and then we are going to take another big tissue paper and we are going to fold our panty with this tissue paper. What it's going to do is it's going to keep the tissue paper at its place. Firstly, and secondly, it's also going to save you from the public humiliation of getting stains on our clothes. If you are a school, college or working girl, जब भी हमें वो सीक्रेट रूम जाना होता है चेंज करने के लिए, तभी कोई ना कोई हमारा फ्रेंड इन बॉयज आके वहाँ पे खड़े हो जाते हैं एंड देन इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू टेक आउट द पैड फ्रॉम द पर्स एंड देन स्लिप इन योर पॉकेट. So that's why we are going to keep a emergency bag. This emergency kit is also going to help you to be prepared for the future, and sometimes it happens कि आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट किसी और के साथ है, तो हम उनको भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं with this emergency kit. So we are going to keep some wet wipes, 2 to 3 different types of pads according to the day you are bleeding, and a baby diaper rash cream. Trust me, in hot summer days, if you are going out or if you go to college, it's really difficult to change as often, as well as the temperature outside is so high, it is going to give you some itching or some rashes over there. So that's why always keep baby rash cream. It is really inexpensive, at the same time it works phenomenal. Now keep all the stuff in your emergency kit and make sure your emergency kit is very fancy, so when you take it out from your purse, your friends can think, okay, she's going to touch up her makeup because this kit looks like a makeup kit. And last but not the least, when we get our periods, we are really very small. Like I got my first period when I was 12 years old. So at that time, it was really difficult for me to manage a heavy flow. And I didn't know कि स्टेन्स आ जाएंगे या ये हो जाएगा या वो हो जाएगा या ये भी प्रॉब्लम होती है वो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है blah 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 blah. So that's why it's really important to communicate, because 12 or 13 is really small age. We are just kids at that time, so it's really difficult to manage heavy flow. So that's why I will highly advise you to talk to your friends and talk about the tips and tricks that is going to help you the most. So that's it for this video, and बिल्कुल बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है मुझे लगता है इस बार तो. You have to hit on that like button and you have to subscribe me, because it was really tough for me to make this video, but I want to help you girls, so that's why I am always here for you guys. So comment below and let me know if you have your trick for periods. Till then, take care and have a happy and safe period. Bye bye.